What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. I thought I was done with the news for today, but evidently not. I'm going to put the article right here.
For the longest time, whoa, for the longest
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, got it represent.
So Stellantis is taking $385 million when they said they didn't have the money and it wasn't feasible for them to open Belvedere. They're taking $385 million and investing in an Argentine plant. If you don't get the message yet, I don't know what to tell you. Either you guys that work at these plants need to get a change in your union leadership where they actually make a move here before it's too late, or you guys are all going to be out of a job. This isn't a joke. They don't have the money. They spend $250 million on a friggin' drone company. They spend $385 million. That's more than $250 million on this plant in Argentina. Oof. They're moving Durango, the new SUV production, to Canada. Looks like we're going to have more layoffs at Warren. And now there are rumblings and internal conversations at Stellantis to shut down SHAP. Because I guess, according to Carlos Tavares, the Sterling Heights assembly plant is the biggest thorn in his side of all the facilities in North America for Stellantis. Sterling Heights assembly is in the target, in the scope of Carlos Tavares, John Elkann, and Stellantis. And the reason why I say that now is because money that they were talking about doing there and the internal discussion, and I've got emails and some other communication between employees looking at where production from Sterling Heights could be quickly and efficiently moved. This is huge breaking news. If they're going to shut down Sterling Heights Assembly, they're not open in Belvedere. And at the same time, we can see the news about them getting they're taking the hundreds of millions of dollars in United States government subsidies. And for you guys to keep telling me, oh no, it's tax breaks, it's tax breaks. It's a separate video, but I'm going to put that here. And as you can see here, the government has paid them and is going to pay them hundreds of millions of dollars from the Department of Energy and some other places. Basically free money. Grants, take this to do this. And now Stellantis is moving production of every vehicle they can out of the United States. They are trying to drown the UAW. And you know what's crazy? Nobody at the UAW, at least their leadership, they're not doing anything. I don't have a dog in this fight. I don't care. I don't care on, like, it's not, I don't want to see people that are working for a living that are being told they have job security to get screwed here. And that's what it looks like. I leave the question to you. What do you think about this news? Do you think they would actually close Sterling Heights? And why are they asking if they can move production of those vehicles, those items that are done at Sterling Heights to other facilities, and how fast it could be done? Why would they be asking that if they're not going to close it? Food for thought. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.